Imagine a world where the most dreaded household chore becomes a thing of the past. A humanoid robot has just mastered the art of folding laundry, a breakthrough that could change the game for everyone who dreads doing their wash. Just a few weeks back, we marveled at how Figure's advanced humanoid robot could expertly grab clothes from a laundry basket and place them into a washing machine. Now, the same robot is back with an even more impressive feat. It can fold freshly laundered towels and neatly stack them. This latest demonstration gives us a tantalizing peek into a future where tedious chores might become a thing of the past. Figure, a tech company based in California, claims that this is the first humanoid robot capable of folding laundry fully autonomously. This announcement has undoubtedly sparked the interest of millions who might be wondering, where do I sign up? However, don't break out the champagne just yet. We'll get to that part shortly. To achieve this remarkable task, the robot known as Figure 02 utilizes the Helix Vision Language Action (VLA) model, a technology previously used for industrial logistics. For this application, the VLA model has been trained with a new dataset specifically for laundry folding. The key here is that the robot operates entirely on its own, without any remote control or pre-programmed instructions. Instead, it relies on a sophisticated end-to-end neural network to guide its actions. In the video, you can see the robot using its multi-fingered hands to pick up towels, perform various folding techniques, recover from mistakes like picking up multiple towels at once, and execute precise movements, just like a human would. This level of dexterity is particularly significant because manipulating soft, flexible objects like towels is one of the most challenging tasks in robotics. The robot's ability to handle these materials with such finesse suggests that it could soon tackle a wide range of other tasks involving non-rigid items, making it versatile enough for use in various environments. Folding laundry may seem trivial to humans, but it's one of the most difficult dexterous manipulation tasks for a humanoid robot, explains Figure in a recent blog post. Towels are constantly changing shape, bending unpredictably, and prone to wrinkling or tangling. There's no fixed geometry to memorize and no single correct grasp point. Even a slight slip of a finger can cause the material to bunch or fall. Success requires more than just accurate vision. It demands fine, coordinated finger control to trace edges, pinch corners, smooth surfaces, and adapt in real time. This level of precision and adaptability is a significant leap forward in the field of robotics. While Figure is primarily targeting industrial applications for its humanoid robot, the company has hinted that it will start testing the robot in home settings this year. This news is sure to excite anyone who despises doing laundry. However, the company hasn't provided any details on pricing or availability for individual consumers. So for now, most of us will still have to roll up our sleeves and get the job done ourselves. This humanoid robot certainly offers a glimmer of hope for a future where such chores are a thing of the past. But here's where it gets controversial. Should we be excited about the prospect of robots taking over our household chores? Or should we be concerned about the implications for employment and the human touch in daily life? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below.